How to contact Binance customer support. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to contact Binance customer support. So first thing, simply open up your Binance application, and once you're inside here you can see there is a headphone icon right at the top right corner, right next to the message or chat icon. So just tap on that, and once you're inside here you just have to scroll all the way down until you see this get support button. So once you're inside here, just tap on this get support button just like this, and from over here you can basically ask them any questions, or you can also view your chat history. And once you start your conversation from over here, they will be connecting you with the Binance agent shortly, and you can continue with the conversations with them just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily contact Binance customer support on Binance. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.